There are 4 benefits of online teaching. The first one, work at home, which means no getting stuck in traffic on the way to work. No forced small talk with your coworkers. And always having your very own parking space. Don't work at home. Some people love to travel. Well, now you can take the office with you. A flexible schedule. Already have a job? Online teaching can be a part-time job, and you can supplement your income. Every day is Casual Friday, so now you're an online teacher. Never have to wear a necktie or a pantsuit ever again. All you need is a headset and your favorite pair of pants. So there you have it. What are you waiting for? Give it a try. Oh, and happy teaching.